Did you know your router could be making bad routing decisions because it's stuck in the past? Classful routing protocols don't send subnet masks, and that can crash your network. In this video, I'll show you how classless protocols fix this, and why every modern network needs them. Want to stop routing chaos? Let's dive in. Classful and classless routing protocol. There are two families of routing protocols. Classful, which means with class, and classless for classless. Classful routing protocols don't send the subnet mask with their updates. That is, they take into account the default masks available in the different IP classes. And classless routing protocols sends the subnet mask with their updates. It will no longer rely on masks by default. We will immediately see an example to understand well. In this diagram, we have three routers with multiple networks. We have the network 172.16.11.0 all the way to the left, the 2.0 on the right. The 192.168.10.0 is the network between router 1 and router 2, and the 20.0 between router 2 and 3. Remember, IP addresses come into different classes. IP in 172.16 are Class B addresses, and the one in 192.168 are Class C addresses. Class B has a default mask of 2 times 255.0.0, and Class C, its mask is 3 times 2555.0. A class-based routing protocol does not pass the subnet mask in its routing updates. That is, routers 1 and 3 will only send the 172.16.0.0 network to router 2 as info. As a result, router 2 is a bit lost, because for it can reach the 172.16.0 network, both by its left interface and by the right, which of course causes problems. While classless routing protocols advertise the subnet mask with their updates, that is to say, router 2 will know that on one side there is the 172.16.1.0 network, and on the other side the 2.0, because here the subnet mask is sent with the network address, which allows you to determine the corresponding IP range.